to my YouTube channel. My name is Ongoi Mwangi and I do videos on nursing education, patient teaching as well as health education. Today I come back with another patient teaching kind of video, and it's about fertility treatment centers in Kenya, and specifically where one could get in vitro fertilization services, or in short IVF. If this is your first time here, please take your time to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload an informative video such as this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, know that I deeply appreciate you. So let's dive right in. So we begin by a brief introduction about fertility treatment, and this is treatment that typically refers to medications that stimulate egg or sperm production, or procedures that involve the handling of eggs, sperms, or embryos. However, treating infertilities goes beyond fertility treatment, and infertility treatment can also include surgical intervention, lifestyle changes, weight loss, weight gain, or treatment of an underlying medical condition that is preventing fertility to occur. Fertility clinics are medical clinics that assist couples and sometimes individuals who want to become parents, but for medical reasons have been unable to achieve this goal via the natural root cause. These clinics usually conduct various tests to find out the cause of fertility problem or the underlying cause. For men, it may include semen collection to ascertain problems with the semen quality, while for females, they undergo a number of tests including ovulation analysis, X-ray of the fallopian tubes, usually called the HSG, and the uterus, and laparoscopy in the event there are issues with the tubes. So when it comes to the in vitro fertilization, this is one of the assisted reproductive technology, or ART, commonly referred to as IVF. IVF stands for in vitro fertilization, and in vitro means in the lab, and fertilization refers to conception. This process involves monitoring and stimulating a woman's ovulatory process, removing an ovum or ova, egg or eggs from the woman's ovaries, and letting sperms fertilize them in a liquid in the laboratory. Then the fertilized egg, the zygote, is cultured for 2 to 6 days in a growth medium and is then implanted in the same or another woman's uterus with the intention of establishing a successful pregnancy. Other forms of ART include, or other forms of assisted reproductive technology include, gamete intrafallopian transfer, called GIFT in short, and zygote intrafallopian transfer, called ZIFT. So without further ado, because today I'm covering the fertility centers or fertility treatment centers in Kenya, I'm going to mention quite a number, but I know this is not a comprehensive list. There could be more clinics out there, but this is what I know to the best of my knowledge. Unfortunately, most of these are in Nairobi, so you're elsewhere in the country, you may have to travel all the way to Nairobi, except if you know where Medhill is, because I know they have a main hospital somewhere within Uasin Gishu County, somewhere in Eldoret, I think so. And as well as Aga Khan University Hospital also have different centers. However, I do not know whether they offer the fertility treatments in those. So we begin with the Nairobi IVF Center, and this is located at the Landmark Plaza off Oigs Kodhek Road, opposite the Nairobi Hospital, and serves patients from all over the world and assists in arranging accommodation in Nairobi for the duration of treatment. So this IVF Center, I know quite an amount of information about it because I have a friend who went through her treatment in this fertility center, and she was successful in her journey with her partner, and they were able to achieve a successful pregnancy, and they got twins. So for them, they were lucky, and it was celebrations all the way. Then we have Medhill Diagnostic and Facility Center, Nairobi. This one is located in Parklands, Medi Plaza. The PO box I have put there. This is located in that Parklands, along that Parklands Avenue off Limuru Road, and it's opposite the Aga Khan Hospital, or the Aga Khan University Hospital, and I have put their email there. Then we have the Aga Khan Fertility Center, located on that Parklands Avenue off Limuru Road again. This, if you do not know the Aga Khan University Hospital, you ought to use Google. It is the most common private hospital known elsewhere, especially here in Kenya. And yes, they have a very good fertility center as well. Number 4, we have the Nairobi West Hospital. Fertility Center, which is located in Nairobi West, off Langata Road on Gandhi Avenue, approximately 150 meters from the Nairobi West Shopping Center. That is their email address. You can use either of those, and their numbers, I have placed them there as well. So number 5 is New Life Fertility Center. However, I do not have much information about this fertility center. I found it online and it is found in Nairobi somewhere. I don't have much details. If you do, please comment in the comment section below, and this would help somebody somewhere who is in their TTC journey. Then we have Apple and Sense in collaboration with Harley Street Fertility Center, HSF Clinic, which is found on the first floor of Oilibia Plaza, Muthaiga Road, Nairobi, and that is their address and their email address as well. You can find their numbers, and those are the numbers I was able to find online. Then we have Footsteps to Fertility Center, found on Kugeria Court, Suite 9 in Rav Bonche Road, and that is their number as well as their email address. Then we have LifeBridge Fertility Clinic, found in Lower Kabete, Moi Drive, and that is their number. I did not manage to get their email address. Then we have number 9, Wings IVF Hospital, and this is wingsivfafrica.com. The hospital is specialized in treatment like freeze all embryos, PGs, PGDs, ERA, or DNA fragmentation tests, and their contact is provided there, and they do IVF as well. So then we have number 10, LifeBridge Fertility Clinic, and it's also known as surrogatemotherkenya.com, and it offers 360-degree infertility disorder treatment with their advanced and latest technologies. This center has excellent infrastructure, technology, and lab, as well as equipment setup. The fertility services include laparoscopy, IUI, IVF, ET, ICSI, sperm retrieval, PESA, TESA, assisted hatching, freezing, embryo, sperm, and oocyte, as well as donation. You can donate your eggs and sperm there if you're into that kind of thing. And then we also have surrogacy. So if in your journey you are considering using a surrogate mother, then you can talk to LifeBridge Fertility Clinic. They are known as the Surrogate Mother Kenya, and therefore they can be able to link you up with certain kind of facilities that the others may not be able to. That is their contact number. I didn't manage to get their email address, but you can go to their website provided there. Then we have number 11, Fertility Point Kenya, and this is found in Fortis, I don't know what it's called, Fortis Plaza. It's a building that is very close to Kenyatta National Hospital, just ahead from the bus park where the KBS buses usually park when they come to the hospital, on the side that has what is it, this building called, where we have Real Plaza, then we have Jamii, I think, I can't remember, but along very, very close to Kenyatta National Hospital, you will find Fertility Point Kenya at Fortis building. So it's a professional IVF clinic which is managed by a team of highly qualified and internationally trained IVF consultants and senior embryologists. The clinic is strong with the most advanced and innovative technologies and offers treatment like IVF, IUI, TESA, PESA, surgical hysteroscopy, gynecologic laparoscopy, etc. The contact number of the clinic is that one, and the email address is there. So you can always reach them there or present yourself in their clinic to book for an appointment to be seen by their specialists. So last but not least, we have the Kenyatta National Hospital Fertility Center, and the website is knh.or.ke. And the prime motto of this hospital is to provide world-class treatment and specialized care to the patient so that everyone can become parents successfully. Their fertility treatments are egg and sperm donation, embryo and sperm cryopreservation, intrauterine insemination, that is IUI, ovulation induction, and many more. The contact number of the hospital is that one, and the email ID is the same as provided there. And the one thing that you can note about Kenyatta National Hospital is that it has a lot of specialists who have done thorough research on this topic of fertility. And therefore, even though they may not maybe want to see you within the premises, they have the knowledge to handle this kind of issue or treatment. However, some of the best gynecologists, obstetrician, and all these specialties are required for IVF treatments are found in Kenyatta National Hospital, being the main government facility in the land. So if you want to have more information, there are so many other clinics that I didn't cover, and this is because I couldn't find enough information on them. And some of these that I have covered, I have actual friends who have gone for treatments in them and have succeeded. They are beneficiaries and they are able to have their parenting journey eased or even becoming successful. So yes, I have just highlighted just 12, but that could be helpful information for someone out there who is wondering where to start their TTC journey. So for this and much more, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload. So this information I found on the individual facilities websites as well as these two websites that are very critical. They have a lot of information on this and much more. So please take your time to go through that information. You'll be able to find it there. For this and much more, please tune in and subscribe. Thank you and bye.